tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. We gather round the fire as the snow falls down. Laughter fills the air in this winter town. Candles softly glowing, joy is drawing near. Hearts are full of hope at this time of year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we wear, good tidings we bring to you and your kin, to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas, oh, and a Happy New Year. From the youngest child to the old and wise, see the magic shining in every eye. Songs of peace and kindness echo far and wide, bringing us together, standing side by side. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May your days be bright, may your nights be warm. May love be the gift you pass along. When the year turns new and the bells all ring, may your dreams take flight on angel wings. Through the coldest nights and the longest days, let kindness guide you in every way. May laughter stay close, may worries be few. May all that you wish come gently to you. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring, good tidings we bring to you and your kin, to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas, oh, and a Happy New Year. So raise up your voice, let the carols ring. Celebrate the joy that this season brings. From our hearts to yours, sincere and clear. Merry Christmas to all and a Happy